If you have an Apple Watch that supports Wi-Fi or cellular or GPS, you probably want to learn how to connect the Apple Watch to the internet. If yes, then this video is going to walk you through how to connect Apple Watch to the internet. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you can connect to your Apple Watch to the internet via cellular, and you can connect to the internet via Wi-Fi. So the fastest approach I'm going to show you here is using the Wi-Fi approach, because not all Apple Watches support cellular, but almost all Apple Watches uses Wi-Fi. So you'll be able to connect to the internet to upgrade your Apple Watch firmware. So to connect your Apple Watch to the internet, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the control center button, press it once. Then you're gonna see this network indication, this. So if it is here, you can just press it to connect to available Wi-Fi. And if you have not connected to Wi-Fi before on your Apple Watch and you want to connect to Wi-Fi to connect the Apple Watch to the internet, all you just need to do is press the two crown once to take to the app menu page. On the app menu page, locate and click on settings. Now once you're taken to the settings page, you want to scroll down the page using the two crown or the screen and then select Wi-Fi. If you selected cellular, you need to set up your cellular using your iPhone, and if your network provider does not support cellular on your Apple Watch, then you'll not be able to set up cellular and you'll not be able to connect your Apple Watch to the internet. So go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. Once you selected Wi-Fi, allow your Apple Watch to search for available Wi-Fi network, and you can see I have a few of them. Then go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi. Here you'll be prompted to type in the Wi-Fi password. Then go ahead and carefully use the Apple Watch on-screen keyboard to type in the Wi-Fi password, or use the pop on your iPhone to type in the Wi-Fi password. Then click on join. Once you hit the join button, just hang on. If the Wi-Fi password is correct, you should see your Apple Watch connected to the Wi-Fi. And if you come back to the control center by pressing the control center button beneath the digital crown, then you should see your Apple Watch connected to the internet. You see that? So that is basically how to connect Apple Watch to internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.